Hello guys, welcome to Tech Crash. In today's video, we are going to discuss about CSD. This video will clarify all your doubts if you have any. So let's proceed to the video. First of all, I would like to inform all those who didn't receive the orientation mail and the schedule and the login and credentials. They will soon receive it. So don't worry about that. Those who don't know about CSD, I would like to give a simple intro that it is a continuous skill development program which will make you project ready. So in this program you probably learn all the things like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Bootstrap and Java basics also. After receiving the orientation mail, you will join a meeting where they will guide you what to do in the CSD program, like how you will go through the courses like HTML, CSS, which I have mentioned earlier. And they will also provide you a schedule where a mentor will guide you and teach all those things like HTML basics. From basics they will teach you, so don't worry that you don't know anything about HTML and how will you able to manage to learn those things. They will explain each and everything, and they will start from basics to advanced. So if you don't know about HTML, CSS, Java, so don't worry, they will guide you, and it will start from basic only, so don't worry. And after that, after the completion of the program, they will onboard you. And also I would like to tell you that they can also onboard between the CSD program also. It completely depends on business requirement, because many who even attended the orientation program, they also got a mail like your CSD is cancelled and you can join as a full-time employee. It completely depends on business demand, so don't worry about that. If you are doing your CSD also, they can hire you at any time when they need you. Okay, so it is a plus point. In CSD, I earlier thought that we are free to choose our domain, but here also it depends on the business requirement. They will provide you the domain and you will need to do your CSD program in that domain only. So many candidates I am seeing that they are getting Java domain. So those who are getting Java domain, I will provide a link in the description box, a Telegram link where you can join the channel. So also I would like to tell that in the CSD program there will be many assessments between the HTML, CSS and many assessments like that. And okay, first it is divided in 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2 and last final means project. So in stage 1 there are many programs like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and after that it is actually, I am talking about Java. It is Java basics. The stage 1 is Java basics and the stage 2 is Java advanced, and the final is the project. Okay, so in each stage you will face assessment tests in between the HTML, CSS, like that only. And after completing all those assessments, you will face ICT, that is final test. There were 2 ICTs, first in stage 1 and second is stage 2. So in assessments there would be 70% criteria, and in ICT as well. But the thing is, in assessment tests there will be only one attempt, and in ICT there will be two attempts. Okay, let's talk about the criteria which you need to get in the assessments as well as ICT. It is 70% and above, and many candidates are thinking like if we don't score 70% marks in the assessments, will we able to proceed to the ICT? Yes, you will able to proceed to the ICT. Also, I would like to tell that your onboarding will not depends on your score. Okay, you are doing your CSD, even if you don't score 70% above in assessments as well as ICT, they will onboard you, don't worry. Okay, but what I am telling you, that if you don't score good here, you will need to learn after the onboarding also. So why to just waste time? Why not utilize the time which you are getting in the CSD? Just utilize your time and try to learn all those things which you need to survive in the IT sector. Okay, talking about the time period, the CSD will take approximate 3 to 4 months for its completion. During the CSD, they will also provide the Udemy access, where you can learn the courses which is included in the CSD. So it is a plus point. As every candidate already know that CSD is unpaid, it has a plus point as well as a negative point. You already know that negative point is that you are not getting paid what you are learning for, and the plus point is that it is not time bounded. Time bounded means it is time bounded, like you have to complete the course is 3 to 4 months, but time foundation, I mean to say that you are not forced to sit like from morning 9 to evening 5. You can do the courses whenever you want, like in midnight, in afternoon, whenever you want. So it is a plus point. So that's all about CSD, and if you have any doubts related to CSD, just comment below, and all who got Java domain, just join the Telegram. The Telegram link I will provide in the description box. Join through there. Okay, let's pack up.